So potential at point P will be what? Just look at the angle between P and R. So what is the angle between P and R? 1637. That is how much angle? That is 53 degree.
E2. 50.
Okay. Simply A dot R, A dot B is AB cos theta will be R square is cos 53. Okay. Here point P is actually A. As per our diagram, it is A.
Yeah, sir.
Simply solve and give me the answer. K will be 9 into 10 to the power 9. And P is how much? 2. What is the value of
2.
cos 53? Tell me. Cos 37 is 4 by 5. Look at this. Base by hypotenuse. 90 degree 53. Cos 53 will be what? Base by hypotenuse. 3 by 5. And what is R? R is given 5 meters square. So what is the potential at point A will be how much? Tell me fast.
Yeah, sir.
54 by
4 by
125,
5.
something like that.
Yeah, sir.
So this point P is at general position, okay, general position, r comma theta, like that. Understood? Is still any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay. Are you understanding like each and everything like till now?
Yeah, sir.
Okay. Hello. Yes, yes. Yes, you are asking like how to solve this question. Okay, it's very easy. Like such type of problem will be asked in your JEE exam. Yeah. Now look at this question carefully. See ABC from the center. They are at different distances. A is here, B is here. Let us suppose C is somewhere else. So the position vector of A, B, and C will be like this. This is the position vector of A. This is for B, and this is for C. RC. Clear? Now, if I am asking like what is the potential at point A? What is the potential at point A? Now see, this point A is inside this outer sphere and inner sphere. Okay. If you want to give the name also, in a sphere 2, concentric sphere. Clear? So at A, electric field is 0 because it is inside hollow sphere. It is inside hollow sphere. So at A, electric field is 0. Potential at A will be what? Since this point A is lying inside this sphere 2. So here will be K Q by, I'm assuming that here charge is Q. Here charge is small on this sphere. Okay. So KQ by B plus KQ by A. Understood? Any doubt in this?
No, sir.
Now see, look at this. Potential at B. B is outer to inner sphere and it is inside the outer sphere. So at B, potential will be what? Since it is inside of outer sphere, so inside potential due to outer sphere will be KQ by B plus from outer sphere for outer sphere, sorry, for inner sphere, this point B is outside point. Clear? So here potential will be KQ by RB. Clear? Any doubt?
No, sir.
RB na? That is. If I ask like what is the electric field like? Tell me. What is the electric field? This is for B, okay.
Like
What is the electric
again,
field at
B is
point B? B. This point B is inside
yeah,
of outer
point
sphere. Due
inside
to outer sphere 0.
0.
Very good. Due to inner sphere, it will be KQ by R square.
Mm.
Okay. So this is everything is an application of what we have learned. Okay.
Mm.
Now if I ask outer sphere C, so at C will be what is the potential? Tell me. C is outer to inner end. Outer sphere for inner sphere, the C point is outside. So it will be
Outside.
KQ by RC plus KQ by RC.
Yes.
At C, electric field will be KQ by
By
R
C.
square plus KQ by R square. Any doubt?
Okay, sir. No, sir.
Clear? That's why I'm saying like the topic which I'm teaching you it is in such depth. Similarly, Capster when I'm teaching you, it will be in depth only. So
Yes,
learn
sir.
the things. If you really interested for J Advanced J, learn the things in depth. Okay. Any doubt
Yes,
in
sir.
this question? Like,
No, sir. Clear. 1 minute at right.
you please write. Thank you. Now see, 10 volt, 20 volt, 30 volt. These are the equipotential surface. Clear? Now you know that what is the direction of electric field? Direction of electric field is in the direction of decreasing potential, and it is
Mm.
perpendicular to the equipotential surface. So it will be like this. This is the this is what 1 minute. This is like I'm writing like this. This is the direction of electric field. Okay. Just forget these lines. Okay. By mistake, like okay. Clear. This is 90.
Yes.
90. Okay. This is the direction of electric field. Now this electric field is making some angle theta. You can check.
Mm.
This is 90. This theta will be 60 degree. Now it is very easy now. You can check. I'm asking it's what is the electric field? This theta. Let us suppose the magnitude of electric field is E. So if I ask like what is the electric field, you can say like that E cos 60. Direction is minus I cap. E sin 60. Direction is plus J cap. Now, the main objective is to find this E. How to find the value of E? So we know that delta V. Actually, we are going to find the value now. E into T. Clear?
Mm. Yes, sir.
So delta V is how much? 10. Clear? What is D? D is this. How much? Theta is 60. 10 cos
6. 10,
60.
5.
So it will be how much? Cos 60 is half.
Mm.
Tell me the answer that is E will be 2 volt per meter. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Put this value here, you will got the answer. You will get the answer. 2 cos 60, 2 sin 60. So you get the answer minus I cap plus 3. All right.
Yeah, sir.
Understood?
Yes, sir.